Welcome to Technical Tech. Thanks to watch our videos. Hi guys. So today we are learn new practical. The practical name is what is the Ansible and how to use it. If you guys are working in the IT company in the Linux field, I believe every one of you heard this name Ansible. Nowadays Ansible is in a boom, right? Every guys want to use Ansible. So in this video I'm gonna tell you what is an Ansible and how to use it and how it will gonna help you to improve your day-to-day activities. Okay, let's go with this. So first of all, history of Ansible. In February 2012, the Ansible project began. Initially called Ansible Works Inc., and in the present, Ansible comes included in the distribution like Fedora, Linux, RHEL, and CentOS and Oracle Linux. Okay, important terms using the Ansible. So there are the key terms which is used in Ansible. If you will gonna use Ansible, then you will gonna get familiar about these terms. Now what is the first is the Ansible Server, the machine where Ansible is installed and the form which all tasks and playbook will be run. The second is module. Module is nothing as basically a module is a command, a set of similar commands meant to be executed on the client side. Important terms used in the Ansible, that's part 2, and that's task. A task is a section that consists of a single procedure to be completed. Then it's come to roles, a way of organized tasks and related files to be later called in the Ansible. The fact, information fetched from the client system from the global variables with a gather facts operation. So guys, don't need to worry, we will go through with these old terms and we will use it practically also. The important term used in the Ansible, that's the inventory. One more is inventory. The file contains data about Ansible client servers and defined in the later example as a host file. And the last is a play, the execution of your playbook. Okay, so install Ansible on your CentOS and Red Hat systems. The first step, you have to install your epel repository. Okay, now let's go with this. Oh, this is my master server. Let me show you my client also. This is my master. You can see that master, then is the client. Okay, so what is the requirement for Ansible? The port 22 should be open. Okay, so make sure your client system and the master able to read each other. Ping cube-client. Oh, great, they are able to read. So the first practice, so as we said that, so install Ansible. What we need to do first, you have install epel-release. Yum install epl dot So I'm sure all of you guys know what is the epel. Epel is nothing, it is just a repository which is available publicly to use by Linux systems. It is for those guys those do not have a subscription of Red Hat, so they can go with this. It will gonna help them to download all necessary packages. Okay, this is step 1. Then step 2, install Ansible package. Okay, now let's go. And then install -y Ansible. Let's put star. Why I'm putting star? So that its all modules also should be downloaded. It will take 1 minute, not more than that. So meanwhile it's gonna install. Let's go with another, what is next we have. So configuration file and directory. There are 3 files and directory for Ansible. The location of Ansible, it is etc/Ansible. There is one file that's called ansible.config. This is a main configuration file for Ansible. Then there is a second, that is also file that's called host. This is the inventory file of your Ansible. For example, you give the list of your IP address and host names, everything that you can put in this file. So when you will run Ansible, it will read this inventory file and it will go work. The third is roles. If you remember earlier, I told you what is a role. Okay, so it is a role directory which is used to define roles. Okay, let's go to the screen. Wow, great, it is installed now. Let me show you whatever I tell you that. Okay, here we go. So we have 3 directories, 1 directory, 2 files. Oh, let's open this file, Ansible. Okay, here you can see this is a main configuration file which is going to use everything. So after that you have to change one thing. Just search SSH and here will be one more file. Yeah, here we go. This just so here just change it to smart. Okay, nothing else. Why I did this? Because Ansible use a little smart version. He don't want to use the password, but we gonna use a password. Ansible say that by default, Ansible say you don't need to type a password. Before you do any activity with your client, you have to make sure you have a passwordless authentication on your system. So if you will put this entry, so you can also use password also to connect with your client. Okay, so now go next. So Ansible add all commands. What is this? One of the simplest way Ansible can be used is by using add all commands. This can be used when you want to issue some commands on the server via a bunch of servers. Add all commands are not a sort of future use but represent a fast way to interact with your desired servers. So example of your add-on commands, there is one module. If you remember, I told you about the modules. So let's give one example. One is a module name is ping, and what is the use of how to use it? What is the command? The command is Ansible all -i for inventory, and you give the name of your inventory hosts. So, and then -m is m stands for module, and then module name, then -u the username with the help of you going to log in on the server, then -k it's gonna prompt for the password. You can see the screenshot. Yeah, user, you are able to log in and you are successfully done this. Okay, now let's do this practical. So what I'm going to do, I'm going here like so I have one file, so I'm going to create this file with the hosts, type the IP address, okay, so this is what, I'm sorry for this tone, Ansible all -i, and as I said that host, right, and then type module ping -u root -k. It's saying about using a SSH key is not possible because, oh, as I said that we did something wrong. Here, remove this, yeah, save it. Going to use it now. Again saying the same thing. Okay, wait. Using a password instead of key. Let me use this. Okay, let's see the command. What is the command we are using? Yeah, we are using the same command. Okay, might be host file, right? Okay, first let me check I'm able to log in on my system or not. Oh, okay, I'm able to log in. Oh, sorry, my bad. I'm putting the wrong syntax. Wow, here we go. Now you can see, guys, you get the output successful, right? So in this way you can get a successful. So this is a one module. Now go to the slide. So we have another option, that's a module. The next example is copy module. So with this module, in this host file, you can type thousands of servers, right? And you just run this command, and you have to make sure 22 port is open. with your client, and there should be a one sudo user, right? And you just type the user. I have a root, but in the normally on production we never gonna use root. We have might be some sudo user. Okay, so in this host file you can type 100 of servers and you just run this command. You get the response on one screen about 1000 servers within a 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes. Okay, not more than that. Okay, let's go with the second. So I'm going to create one file here. So let's take it technical tag.txt. This is my Ansible test file. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this command again. So here what I need to do, I have to just change the name of the module, that's a copy, and then a for argument. So as a source equal to as a /root/technical.txt, and then destination, where I want to put it, it should be temp directory, and the location I type root-k from the password, this. Here we go. So now you can see the file, copy one file. So like this you can copy one file on 1000 of servers, right? And the same thing we can use, there is a module fetch also, right? And then yum also. There are a lot of modules we can use in this Ansible, so you have to go with that. So for create, so there is a one command, Ansible doc, which will gonna help you to get a syntax of your create or any playbook, and Ansible read YAML language, and there is a command Ansible doc for all Ansible modules. And to check the syntax of a file command, Ansible Playbook --, syntax -check and playbook name. Yeah, guys, this is a little theoretical, don't worry. Let's go with the practical, because we guys, you know, don't understand theoretical so much, but we believe in the practical. Okay, what I mean to say in that last slide, I was saying that the Ansible read a YAML playbook. Okay, so let me go with this. So this is doc, all the Ansible doc is there. So now you can run file. I'm going to use this file module. Okay, here you can see, so here they give the example file, and then you have to give the name, state, you know, owner, who would be the owner, so like this. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, the file. So you can just copy this here and then paste here in Ansible book. Okay, let me create one Ansible playbook for you. So playbook name is first playbook YAML. Insert, type 3, then 1 space hosts all, then remote underscore user equal to root. So in the Ansible, there's space, tab, everything counts. So make sure we do not make any mistake. Tasks, name. What is the name of this task? First task, I'm going to create one empty file. Then what I'm going to use now, file module, is a path path will be in etc. And what is the name of the file? Let me take kk playbook file .txt. Then what should be, I say state will be touch. I have to touch this file. What would be permission? So I would say user should read write g minus read o my read plus write. So this is the permissions. I'm sure you guys are aware about what is the permission in Linux. If nobody know about that, please go with the last video on my channel, what is the permissions and all. So you will come to know what is the permissions. Okay, just save this file. Okay, now this is my file. I want to check the syntax. Ansible hyphen playbook hyphen syntax hyphen check first playbook YAML. Oh, here we go. There's a problem. So you can see there's a problem in the syntax. You get the error, right? Now we have to check it out. Now we need to check this. Tasks is the name and this and this. Okay, it's a path. So wait, let me open my notepad. I copy that in notepad. So I'm sure we did not make any mistake. So what is, okay, that is my bad. I should not put here. Yeah, it should be like this. Okay, now great. So in the first, you can see, so if I create one playbook, it will help you to where is the problem in your file. Now you can see in the line number 5, column number 3, you may have else offending the line, right, on this. So if you're getting this message, that's mean your playbook is perfect. Okay, and so how can I run this playbook? I'm sorry guys for this noise. Playbook -i host root k. Now you can see your playbook is running. Wow, great. Now you can see change. One change and server is reachable. Let me check on the server. So we give the entry in etc file. There's a file name is, I believe, kk, right? Wow, here we go. Let me check the content of this. No, wait. Did we put some content in this? I think we forget to put any content on this, but it's okay. So you can see your playbook file is here. So like this, you can create many modules and create your own playbook. here in the file module. Here I'm using a file module. You can use the yum module, right? There are a lot of modules in Ansible, right? You can use any number of modules. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Thanks to watch our video. Hit the like button and give your comment and suggestions, and subscribe our channel Technical Tech for the get latest video updates. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please subscribe our channel Technical Tech. Don't forget to click on a bell button to get latest notification. Thanks. Have a nice day.